Hey everybody, Lon from DPI Lab here, and today I want to talk to you about ink adhesion. So a lot of times with UV printers, you'll hear people say you can print on anything. And while technically that's true, if you can fit it on the printer, you can probably jet ink onto it. You want to make sure that you've got a good quality, durable print with great adhesion, ink adhesion. Now, ink adhesion is related to a number of factors, but the primary factor is the surface energy of the material that you're printing upon. Surface energy is typically measured in dynes per centimeter. With UV inks and with our UV inks, you'll normally see better adhesion as you start to cross 32 to 33 dynes per centimeter. And as that number increases, you'll even get better and better adhesion. As that number decreases, you might lose adhesion. As an example, this is an ABS plastic. This has got about a 36 dyne. We printed on it, scored it, tape tested it, soaked it, tested it again, and we could barely move the ink. This is a polypropylene that is probably about a 28, 29 dyne, and the ink pretty much comes off with your finger. So when you're dealing with different materials and ink compatibility, how do you know the dyne level that you're dealing with? So first of all, if you feel pretty confident about the material that you have, if you know you're dealing with an ABS plastic or a polypropylene or a SAN or HDPE, there are a number of charts online, we'll link to a few below, that kind of give you a general guideline of where those ranges might be. The second level would be actually dyne testing. So what you do is you buy a dyne ink kit, and there are a number of companies out there. We'll throw some links there as well. AccuDyne is one of them we've used frequently in the past, where you can actually test the surface energy using a dyne ink. And that'll give you a more certain kind of way to gauge what you're dealing with. And finally, the best way to do it is to actually print on it. So if you're considering a UV printer, make sure you send samples of your materials into your prospective vendors, have them print on it, check the durability yourself to make sure it meets your standards. So how do you handle a situation in which you've got a material with low surface energy that's not getting good adhesion? Well, all's not lost, because there are plenty of ways to change the surface energy to make it more compatible with the ink. There are plasma corona treatments, treatments such as pyrosil, wipe on adhesion promoters, and even operations such as flame treating to kind of open up the surfaces and make them a little bit more compatible with the ink. What's right for you is going to depend on what matches your material and gives you the best compatibility with the ink. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions about ink adhesion, ink chemistry, or anything else related to UV printing, please reach out to us anytime at dpi-lab.com. If you like this video, please drop a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.